It's a pretty pleasant day out. It's in the low 100s, I think. It's probably going to get a little bit warmer as the day progresses. It's still morning. Anyway, I'm in the middle of a major transformation of our backyard. Donna, my wife, is having her fall angel ferret event for her angel ferret shelter. And every event she has a theme. So usually she keeps it simple. Christmas has a Christmas theme and such. And but the fall event, which is usually tied in with Halloween, she likes to do interesting things with it. So this time she's doing a mashup of Halloween and tropical island, or Hawaiian, or tropical paradise, or whatever you want to call it. So, and it's requiring a major overhaul of our backyard. So I'm covered in mud right now because I'm doing, maybe that's the lagoon on Gilligan's Island. Is what it's going to look like out here. No, I'm just leveling the ground, but it's a lot of work. Anyway, so in all the decorations she needs, she came to me and she said, I need bamboo. And I thought, no, where am I going to get bamboo? They don't have it at the stores. You can't just go down to Home Depot and buy it. You can buy a bamboo fence, but they're extremely expensive. You can't just buy a few pieces of bamboo. So I thought about it, and I was thinking, I'll bet I can make bamboo. What's with all the PVC? The PVC is not for water. It's for making bamboo. What? That's one that I've got marked. I had to sand off all the print and all the text and all of that. And then I marked it with where I want the little knuckles on the bamboo. And I'll put the knuckles in and then prepare them for paint. Here's, I'm making 5 of them. So here's an example. Donna says it looks like the real thing. And I think it mostly does. What they're for is we're going to be putting up string lights. And she didn't want the metal. You got to stand them on something, you know. And she didn't want the metal ones because they're very expensive. And I don't want metal ones. We didn't just want wooden sticks. Some people put them on like fence posts, and we wanted bamboo. So I took these 10-foot PVC pipes and I cut them to 8 feet. So then I've got to go through and do the weathering. Here's a mess on my table. I've been that's where I do the painting. I 3D printed these little caps that'll go on top, and I'm painting them like a hammered metal, and that will that'll hold the cable. Anyway, what are you doing with your summer, Chuck? I'm making bamboo, of course. I'm having fun doing it though. It's just a long and tedious process, and I have a deadline. I hate deadlines. All right, let's talk about what's happening with the backyard project. So, my bamboo is done, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. So the tree came out today. And we've got the palm trees. There will be a few more of them coming. This is going to look like Gilligan's Island out here is what it's going to look like. So I've got a lot to do before the end of the month. And but at least I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. Only one of them has coconuts. I can make coconuts.
Welcome to the island of Las Vegas.
Huh.